What's up, everyone? I am the Fabulous 95, and today we are going to be taking a look at the 2019 Thailand Ryan inside Laney. So let's get right into this. On the side, you can see the Next Gen logo, Ryan, the desert background, and it's basically new. It's changed a lot. You got basically the exact same thing as last time. I have all those cards on the back, so we're good. And a bunch of the information that no one needs. So let's get right into this. So let's get right into this. But before I begin, I'm going to say like and subscribe. And if you haven't, go check out my Dynaco 400 stop motion, the full race. It's going to be in the top right corner right there. So, it should be good. So, let's get right into this. As you can tell, they've changed the eye, the way they put the eyes in. While China had it where, like, the eyes were the actual part of the die-cast. These ones, I feel like if you unscrew them, you could take the eyes out. But on the side of the sponsor's blinker, they've changed the way that he's been made a lot. He's got the roof bars. He still has the rookie stripes, which I really feel like they could start making them without right now. He's number 21, and he kind of reminds me of... Oh, never mind. If you watch the version of Cars 3 that was released in England or in the UK, he'll have a different voice. It's kind of funny, actually, because we're used to him having his normal voice, but they'll change it. Like, Harv's from Cars 1. It's changed as well. Well, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, like I already said. And just, hopefully you guys are all doing good in school. See ya.